What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to sign up for an Alibaba Cloud account without binding payment information. By creating an account, you can access free promotions and online courses available through the Alibaba Cloud Academy. This is a great opportunity to explore cloud services and enhance your skills without any initial cost. So let's begin. First, open any web browser that's available on your devices, since all you need is a browser to do this. Mine, I use Brave browser. After you open any web browser, click on the search bar, type the alibabacloud.com. As you can see, I'm already on the website. On the website, click the login button, which is located at the top right of the website screen, to sign up for your account. Now here, it's up to you if you want to create an account manually, or you can use another social media account like Google or GitHub. For example, let me choose Google. Let me click it. Different social media accounts have different ways to do the credentials before creating an account. As you can see, after I did those credentials in Google, I have created an account. By following the steps, you have successfully registered for an Alibaba Cloud account without binding any payment information. You can now take advantage of free resources and courses offered by Alibaba Cloud Academy. Consider following Alibaba Cloud on LinkedIn for additional free access to informative video courses. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.